Hello everyone. So in this video today our topic is filter, which is a custom header function. So almost every apps developer uses filter, but very few can explain how it really works. And that's exactly what interviewers test. So in this video we are not just using filter, we are going to build Swift's filter function from scratch. And once you understand this, you will never forget this. So first let understand what is a filter and how we can use filter function. So let's have an example. So I'm having an array which will have an input from 1 to 10. Now I'm going to use a inbuilt filter function. For that, so this is a inbuilt shift filter function. So for now I am going to get all the even number. Let's print. First I will print the original array. Now I will print the filtered array. Let's run. Yeah, so in the print statement we can see, like in the original array I'm having a array having a number from 1 to 10, and when I use the filtered header function, and here I'm getting an even number 2 4 6 8 10 according to my condition. So here the key point is to be noted, like a filtered array only selects the element which will match the condition and it will return a new array. It will not transform the existing array just like a map. So now let's create a custom filter function. For that we will extend the array. Let's create a function with name custom filter, and in this function I will create a closure with name is included, and which will accept a parameter element, and after that it will return a bool value, and it will the function will also return a array of element. Now let's create a result of element type. Initially it will be empty, like if our condition doesn't met, then we will have an empty array. Now let's iterate a loop in the array, and if our condition matches, and we will pass the condition in is included array, and it will return whether a condition matches or not. Means it will if matches, then it will return a true, if not, then it will return a false. So if it matches, then we have to hold the value in a result array. If not, then we will drop that value, and at the last we will return the result. Now our custom header function filter is ready to use. Let's use this function. So initially I am using the Swift inbuilt function. Now I am going to use my custom filter. This is my custom filter function is included. Now I will pass the same condition. I am trying to filter all the even numbers from this array. Now let's print. Yeah, as we can see, this is exactly working as the Swift's inbuilt function. Now if you try to dry run, like what is happening in there. So I am here pass the condition, like if this condition matches, then we will append the result element in the result array. So let's try run. First I am having element 1, so in this is included I pass the 1, and the condition matches is 1 modulo 2 is equals to 0, which is not, then we are not appending the 1 in the result. Now it's time for the 2. Now here I passes the 2. Now again this condition will run 2 modulo 2, which is equals to 0. Yes, correct. This remainder of the 2 modulo 2 is 0. Then the condition is right, means we are having a true here. Now we are appending the element in the result array. So now that's why we are having a 2. Now it's time for the 3. Again the condition is goes for 3 modulo 2, which is false because the remainder will be 1, so it's a false. Now we are dropping this element, and now the condition is for next element, which is a 4. Again this condition will be run is included in this here. 4 modulo 2 is equals to 0, which is a correct because the remainder will be 0. Now we are having a true. So again in the true case we are appending the element in the result. So now that's why we are having a 4, and this will work and this will continue. Yeah, that's all. This is how the custom filter works, means we can say in the background of the Swift filter operates like this. Yeah, thank you.